Vaginal artery anatomy. 4 questions and answers. Is the vaginal artery a branch of the anterior trunk of the internal iliac artery? Yes, the vaginal artery is a branch of the anterior trunk of the internal iliac artery. Is the vaginal artery only present in women? Yes, the vaginal artery is only present in women. Which artery is the equivalent of the vaginal artery in males? The equivalent of the vaginal artery in males is the inferior vesical artery. What does the vaginal artery in females supply? The vaginal artery in females supplies the inner 2/3 of the vagina, pelvic floor muscles, and the lower part of the bladder.